Oh, 30 minutes on the clock.
Okay. All right, Eric, what are we up to?
Disc Golf Strong warm up, because I'm getting ready to take on Ricky Wysocki's Parked Challenge. With all these challenges going out, it's been pretty cool to see the disc golf world really coming together and making some sweet stuff happen. So this one intrigued me the most, to the Parked Challenge. So I'm at 200 feet away, basket's there. I need to land within, I think it's 3.3 meters or 11 feet of that basket. We have a spray painted circle around there, and every time I landed inside that circle, I back up 20 feet. AJ's gonna help let me know if I've made it in and help me gather up the discs. Tina's gonna help with filming because she's so good at camera stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see how far back I can get. And I got my field work bag with me, so I got a plethora of discs to choose from and see how good I am, see how accurate I am. All right, so 30 minutes on the clock. Let's see how far back I can get. Timer starts. Yeah, rolling. Camera! Short! Good. Back up. Good. I got the rest of the back.
Oopsies. Oops. Oh, look great.
Long.
Yeah.
Just like 2 feet. Good.
Yeah.
Woo.
You out of breath?
Oh.
Not great. Oh, it's good. Oh, well, it hit the basket.
Good. Wow, that was close.
So much hyzer. Is that a Explorer? Tailwind though. Holy buckets. Nice, Eric. 2 tries? Hold on. I bet it's just out. Yeah, just out. Dang it.
13 minutes. Let's go.
Mr. Risley's checking Obi.
Rip this thing.
What is it?
That's a Lucy nice moonshine felon.
Oh, it's good!
2020 Lucy nice felon. Perfect time for an ad. Wait a minute.
Hello?
Hey Bobby. So I've been checking my inventory and I'm getting pretty low on felons. So I need you to send me all the felons you have.
Okay, yeah.
Wait. I think you misunderstood me. What I think you heard was, send me a lot of felons. What I said was, send me all of the felons you have.
Felons. 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 Yes. I'm gonna need some help over here.
Good Lord, please add those things are overstable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh! Oh, no.
Oh shit, Flutter Boy. Zach will love that one.
Yeah!
Go, big swing, felon.
Looks great. Go in? Yes!
Go.
Nice, Eric. Wow.
No shit! Through the swing. Skip, jump, run. I got 5 minutes left.
420 feet, 5 minutes left.
Absolutely parked.
Yes,
Go,
Eric.
dude. I think this is 440. No way.
Yeah,
Tailwind.
not quite.
It's set.
Oh no.
"51 seconds on the clock. I'm gonna catch my breath for the last one. What do you think, Tina? Backhand or sidearm?
Backhand. I think it's too far for sidearm.
I think I want to go sidearm.
Thank-
Back sidearm.
Why'd you ask me?
I don't know. I'm gonna go forehand. This thing's been flying dreamy on the forehand.
Do it.
Got this. last one. Stay up, stay up. Get over there.
Oh.
Right on time.
Oh.
So, I ended up finishing, not making it from 440 feet, I think. And then 420 was the last one I made it at. Man, this challenge is gnarly. Because there's so many shots that you think are just money, and then they just come up short. You see the X, you see that it's not in, and man, you start getting dialed in, you think you have the right distance, and then you're short, you're long, you're short, you're long, you're left, you're right, you're left, you're right. Man, what a challenge. Thanks, Rick, for bringing this up, and make sure you guys go follow his channel. Check out AJ's social media, Tina's social media, my social media, Whale Pants, Dynamic Discs, Latitude 64, Westside Discs.
Okay.
Do it all. Be dynamic. Let's go.